Is your idea of the perfect cycling vacation includes savoring copious amounts of amazing food and wine? Well, we have exactly what you're looking for. Pure Adventures presents the Burgundy Gastronomy and Wine Bike Tour. 6 nights and 7 days, enjoying all the hospitality that Burgundy has to offer as you cycle through the magnificent French countryside. This is one of the most beloved regions of France for a reason. Your trip will begin in Dijon. If you arrive early, feel free to explore the town on your own. Ride the loop around Dijon, near Lac Kier and the Canal de Bourgogne. Savor the rolling vineyard country in the heart of Burgundy. Stop at the wine chateau of Valox-Corton with its delightfully ornate roof, or the 12th century Clos de Vourgeaux Chateau. Cycle around Vosne-Romanée and visit the famous Cistercien Abbey of Citeaux. Stop and enjoy more vineyards, sampling some products along the way at your leisure. Keep in mind that this is moderately advanced riding over rolling countryside. This trip can be booked April through October. There's no better time to book your Burgundy Gastronomy and Wine Bike Tour with Pure Adventures.